This is part 2 of the anatomy of the inventory page. List All will display the inventory items in table form. Click to go to the List All page. This is the List All page. Items in red are inactivated items. This is the inventory unit. To activate an item, tick this checkbox. The items will be listed in multiple pages. Use the arrows less than greater than and to move between pages. This is the current page and total page numbers. These are the items' prices. CP1 is cash price, PP1 is panel price 1, PP2 is panel price 2, and so on. The prices ticked above will be listed here. To search for a specific item, type in the name here and click Filter. Click Active Only to list only active items. Click Show All to list both active and inactive items. For the prices, you can select the prices to be displayed. In this example we select only CP1 and PP1. Click Filter to relist. Only CP1 and PP1 will be displayed. This is the minimum stock level for store. This is the minimum stock level for local, dispensary. This is the central ID as provided by your HQ. It is not necessary for individual clinics. The drugs class can be selected here. It is important to select the classes poison and psychotropics correctly as they are required by law for the prescription book and psychotropic registry. Notes will be viewable in the collection page for every item. Any remarks can be entered as notes. Usually it is used to inform location of this item, e.g. Rack A, Row 3. The notes for this item can be seen in the collection page when hovered on this gray triangle. The notes will be loaded here. This can assist in locating the item faster. Let's go back to the inventory page. Incorporated will list all items for the purpose of specifying incentive percentages. Click to go to the Incorporated page. This is the Incorporated page. The items will be listed in multiple pages. Use the arrows less than greater than and to move between pages. This is the current page and total page numbers. To search for a particular item, type in the name and click Search. The items can be filtered by groups. Every item can be assigned to a group here. When a group is assigned, the default incentives percentages will be filled up automatically here. These percentages can be changed according to items. Groups can be managed here. For the group, the default incentives percentages can be specified here. VAC will list the standard vaccines list. Click VAC to go to the page. This is the VAC page. These are the standard vaccines list. To let the system know which inventory items are actually vaccines, they must be tagged to the standard vaccines here. To tag to the standard vaccine, search the inventory item here. And select from the drop-down list. Now the selected item has been tagged to the standard vaccine Hep B all doses. Click Remove to untag this item from the standard vaccine list. That's it. To be continued in Inventory Page Anatomy, Part 3.